Yo, remember the Pixel I bought maybe a month ago? Well, there was a special offer on with it here in the UK where if you bought the Pixel, you had this HP Chromebook come with it for absolutely free. How cool is that? Some stuff that I'm not going to read. Some more stuff that I'm not going to read. Power adapter, and just this. Let's get rid of the rubbish. Yoink, yoink. Ooh. Let's get this open here. I love a good matte finish here. I'm not into the shiny ones here. But as you can see, the I/O, you've got a headphone jack, micro SD, USB Type A, USB Type C, hinge across the back. And then along the other side, you've got the Kensington USB Type C and USB Type A. Let's see what it looks like out the box. Considering this device is free. You can't really complain here, now can you? Ooh, Bang & Olufsen audio. But you pay for what you get, and considering this was free, shipped with the Pixel 4, it makes you wonder, why didn't they just reduce the price of the Pixel 4 if they could give away a laptop with it? Makes you wonder, but hey. Keypad feels very tactile, and mousepad feels good here as well. A nice finish to the base of this laptop here, and not too big bezels here, considering this is a free device for when I bought the Pixel 4. But as ever, links will be down to it down in the description box below. Look at that, goes down almost flat. So that's pretty cool. Let's power this thing up, see if we get any juice out the box. Turns out it didn't have any juice, so I've just plugged it in and it's booting up for the first time here with the Chrome logo. And if you've never used a Chromebook before, they definitely do have their place. They're not as, I'm gonna say, fully featured as a Windows machine, but it depends on what you're trying to do. If you just use the web, YouTube, that kind of stuff, Google Documents, everything's online, then a Chromebook is good for you. But if you play games where they're locally installed on a Windows machine, or you need to install things on a Windows machine, then that won't work on a Chromebook. All signed in and ready to rock. How cool does this look? The display is a 14 inches here with a LED backlit. You've got 4 gigabytes of RAM with 32 gigabytes of internal storage here. You've got an AMD CPU which has 5 cores, 2 of which are for the system, 3 of which are Radeon GPUs. And the main reason why I'm going to be giving this to the kids is basically I don't need to worry about viruses or anything like that at all, or about them losing their homework, because when they're in the Google Docs, it automatically saves for you. You can't lose anything. Everything's saved to your Google Drive. So I get peace of mind as a parent. With that being said, I'm a realist. You can't play Fortnite or Call of Duty on this thing because you can't install those games like you can on a Windows machine on this device. You can play online games like Slither.io and other stuff like that, but nothing that needs to be installed on this device. But that being said, if Stadia takes off and they put more and more games in, you will be able to play on this. Oh, almost forgot, you've got the 2 wireless radios here, you've got the 2 front-facing microphones there as well, and you've got the speaker, Bang & Olufsen speaker branded there. It's most likely just tuned by them. Hardware is from HP. And the display obviously is not touchscreen at this price point. And of course, as soon as I load up Chrome, you can see some of the perks here. I'm a little bit gutted about the first one here. Disney Plus, you get 3 months of Disney Plus if you purchase a new Chromebook. But I'm based in the UK and Disney Plus isn't available here till March 2020. But not too long to go there. And further down, you've got a year's 100 gigabyte storage of Google Drive absolutely free on here, as well as other note-taking abilities here as well. But how cool is that? But let's have a look at some YouTube. Now obviously this isn't a 4K screen on here, but this is a 4K video that's playing through YouTube here, and it looks really, really good on this display. Now if I want to put the volume up and down here, if you've not already used a Chromebook before, you've got these dedicated buttons up here. Let's max this out here. But you gotta admit, that does look really, really detailed for such a cheap device, or in this case, a really, really free device. Let's see what the speakers sound like here. So there's hardly any mids or lows here at all. Plenty of highs, but what do you expect? So there we have it, guys. That was a look at their HP Chromebook 14. As I say, completely free device here just because I bought the Pixel 4 device. I don't know how Google can keep on doing this, but I would have preferred a cheaper Pixel 4 and not got the HP Chromebook. But this is going to be used by one of my kids from now on. But do let me know in the comment section down below. Do you like freebies with when you buy phones, or would you just prefer cheaper phones and not have any freebies with them?